Human beings, lions, eagles, and partridges, antlered deer, geese, spiders, fish silent beneath the waters, starfish and invisible microscopic creatures, all living things, all living things, all living things. Their tragic cycles finally complete are now extinct. For thousands of centuries, no living creatures have crossed the face of this earth, and this poor moon has shone her lamp in vain. Cold, 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 bleak, 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 petrifying, petrifying, petrifying. The bodies of all living creatures have crumbled into dust, and the laws of eternal matter have transformed them into rock, into water, into clouds, and their souls have melted into one soul. And I am that universal soul. I live each life anew within myself.
Have you noticed the honeysuckle this morning?
I'm alone.
The what?
The honeysuckle.
I raise my voice to speak,
By the back gate.
and no one hears.
Is that honeysuckle? I thought it was convolvulus or something.
Not even you, pale fires.
I thought it was convolvulus.
Like a prisoner thrown into a deep, empty well, I don't know where I am or why I'm waiting. Everything is hidden from me. Everything but the knowledge that in my stubborn, brutal struggle with the devil, the origin of all material forces, I am destined to conquer.